Hello, everyone. Thanks for the opportunity. How did CountryPal start? I used to work for PwC a few years ago, and I used to travel a lot to so many cities. And the problem I faced then was, I remember I was born in Germany, and I was looking for a restaurant, a place to eat. And I'm just going to Google, I would see tons of results, but I wasn't really interested in so many results. I just wanted the search to tell me immediately, like, what do people like me think? If I'm looking for restaurants in London, I don't want to see 10,000 results. I just want the results to be ranked based on what people like me think. And that's what CountryPal is doing. When I moved to London 7 months ago, and I was looking for a doctor, looking for a barber, looking for so many things. But the problem is, it was really hard for me to select. For example, I went to a barber shop in Clapham, and they did a really terrible job. And I thought, what if I could actually just take my hat and say, well, I'm looking for a barber, and the algorithm in CountryPal will be able to know that this is this is K's profile, and because somebody like this person that looks like K, or that has the same profile like K, uses uses barber, so there's very high probability that K is definitely gonna like this. And I work every day in the company intranet. So many people, they post questions every day that I'm looking for a gardener, I'm looking for a cleaner, I'm looking for this, I'm looking for that. And I always go to them like, why didn't you just go online? Go to Google, go to TripAdvisor, go to this. And they all tell me the same thing, that there's something missing in all this website. It is trust. And this is what CountryPal is promising, that each time you search for anything, that you basically see that this thing is being used by somebody who is like you. Anyway, this is what CountryPal is all about. If you have any questions, feedback, I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Hi. Yeah, I think it's a real problem. As far as marketing goes and where do you start, I'd say you need to narrow down on one area that's useful and try and target that individual market, whether it's finding a doctor in a new country or something like that. Like the site earlier that was focusing on teens to start with, and you can grow out of it. That might be rude. But I was thinking that this would kind of work even for people within the same city. So something that I had recently was finding a dentist, and a dentist is a good example of people who are very cost conscious will go for an NHS dentist that's maybe local, but say the CEO of Goldman Sachs will want the dentist that the other CEOs are using or something like that. And it's about filtering out not just by on company, but how much you're earning within it. And yeah, I guess I felt that maybe you needed to narrow down your filtering algorithm a lot more to make that really work.
Yeah, thanks for that. Actually, I said a few minutes ago, I'm trying to drop the travel keyword because I see a big opportunity, like you said, just narrowing down and just, for example, in London, like I said a few minutes ago, in my company, every time people are always asking a question, but they always wait for the results. But on CountryPal, when you type the question, you can see what people in the company, for example, what are they using?
Just on that, I think the strength of a product like this would be the relevance and the reduction of noise. But if you bring in advertising, then I feel like you kind of disrupt the whole purpose of it.
So you wouldn't want the hats there?
That makes perfect sense. If the strength is me finding out where the CEO of Goldman goes for breakfast on Tuesday mornings, right? That's an example, right? But if you show me a place to go to breakfast, I don't need to know where he goes. Or I may just click on that and I could have done a Google search and just got an advertisement on Google. So that's kind of ridiculous. This is a great product. This could be great. That doesn't.
We could look for other. I'm kind of open to criticism. So sure.
Yeah, I can't help but think that maybe you're able to search someone's profile and just see where they go for breakfast, who is their dentist. If they were to put that information up, right? Yeah. Maybe where they that's a weird one. Right, yeah. Where they go for dinners or where they do get their haircut. Then you can actually see what other people go.
Yeah, you can do that there currently. Is that what you're saying?
Well, okay, so this is, I open up as search first. Maybe I can, if I had the option, also search not only what I want to do, but by people also.
Absolutely, yeah. You can do that. When you click on people's names, you basically, sorry, the UI is terrible. So you basically, you can see, like, because I'm not logged in, you can basically see information about the person. You can see where the person has been to. So if I click on, for example, you click on any name, on the right side, you can see that the person has been to London. And once you, sorry.
You can search online.
And you can really mouse over, it will show you where this person has been to, and you can see his review straight away. So I agree with you, and we've got that feature in there.
Quick show of hands, who would like it to have adverts? Who would use it with adverts? That's kind of what I was going to say. I'm afraid that's all we've got time for in that slot, but obviously it will be available for questions afterwards, so catch up.
Thank you.